And the main customer, he put the key in the lock, and he said, "Oh, you added a feature. You cannot forget the key anymore in the lock."
Yes, that's awesome. That is awesome. Yes.
And they were just, yes, that's the way. It is a safety-related key, you know. If somebody misses his key in the lock and somebody else comes up, that's quite a problem for us. So you solved our problem. Okay, so they really loved the solution, and that's the reason why our sales guy said then, okay, yes, but it comes with a cost. Okay.
Yeah, so you increase the price. leave it to sales and marketing to get them.
So they increased the price on that cheaper to produce product.
This is how you become a hero in the company, in the Fortune 500. You make something cheaper and then you sell it for more.